What's going on, lazy bushcrafting fans? It's myself, Owen. Today we're going to do a review or a semi-unboxing of the Storm 400 from Black Diamond. I received this in replacement of the previous Spot 350, I believe. As you can tell, it is slightly bigger. It's beefier, I guess. A few mechanisms that are slightly different. As you can tell, the top is slightly different from each other. The buttons to turn it on and off is going to be bigger here than it is in the previous Spot. I know I'm comparing apples to oranges because they're different. This is 400 lumens at max. This is, I think, about 300 lumens or maybe even less. So I'm gonna put this out of the way since we're not really talking about that. This is the Storm 400 lumens at the max, 8 lumens at the lowest settings, and 180 lumens at the medium settings. You're probably gonna be using this in a low to medium setting. That's gonna get you about 150 hours at most. And in the medium settings, you're gonna do about 10 hours. It does require you to use 4 AAAs. The total weight of this is about 120 grams after you include the AAAs. The one thing I did notice is, I believe the straps are slightly thinner. Let's see. Yeah, you know, they feel a little bit thinner. They're about the same width, but this one feels slightly, or maybe I'm just losing my mind. I don't know. It feels slightly thinner than the old Spot. And as you can tell, the Black Diamond lettering, it looks like they just glued it on or whatnot. I'm not sure. It's not a big deal, but the Spot, it's like, it's flat. You don't feel it sticking out, and it's reflective. This one, I don't know if is it reflective? I don't know, maybe. Anyways, the way you would, once you put the battery in, the way you would close it is you simply push down on it, put the little lever, yep, and there we go. So it is in, and just like that. Now I guess you cycle it by pressing this. Yep, that turns on the other light, the red light, and back to that. And then you hold this for maximum power. Hold it again to turn it off, and then to dim it. And this is the lowest setting right here. Let me show you guys in a dark room. All right, guys, so this is how it looks on the lowest setting. You can still see everything, but it's not as bright. So let's see. So this is the full power. Oof. Full power. This is the flood, really bright. Red, ooh, scary. All right. My final thoughts. This is a really great little headlamp. I can't wait to take it out into the field and see how it works, or see how bright it really gets in the really pitch black.